I like drawing at night. Oh, a message?
Hi, Lisa. Hi, Lisa.
Nice to meet you.
She seems nice.
That's funny. That's funny. I want to know him more. Who are you? Daniel.
I like music. I'm drawing you. It's beautiful.
I really want to travel. That sounds amazing.
Today is the day.
I'm going.
Lisa?
Daniel? It feels nice.
You make me laugh.
I feel safe with you.
Stay with me.
It feels right. I don't want to leave.
Stay with me.
I miss him.
I miss her.
Send. Good morning. Morning. What are we?
My feelings are real.
I feel something real.
My feelings are real. Together?
Together? Yes, together. Good morning, love.
The Bright calls daughter said you were at Stary King, sir.
You didn't reply.
I feel so lost.
It's okay. You're not alone.
We're stronger now. It feels right. Our future. Our future. Our future. Always together.